Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Uberall listings insights for multi-location SEO, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Uberall account. Once you are on the dashboard, navigate to the listings section. Click on the Insights option within the listings menu. Select the locations for which you want to download insights. You can choose either specific locations or all locations associated with your account. Look for the Export button, usually located at the top right corner of the Insights page. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose your preferred file format. Select your desired format, typically CSV or Excel, for easy access. After selecting the format, click on the Download button. Your download should begin automatically. Check your device's Downloads folder to locate the file. Open the downloaded file using your preferred spreadsheet application. Review the Insights data to extract valuable information for your SEO strategy. Make notes of key metrics that can inform your multi-location SEO efforts. Utilize this data to assess performance and make necessary adjustments. Remember to regularly download and analyze insights for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.